In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sick dashboard UI in Figma. We'll keep it fast, focused, and crystal clear so you can follow along and get great results. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Figma and open the official Figma website. You should land on the home page where you can work with design tools and AI features. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you proceed. If you're new to Figma, take a second to notice the layout of the interface so you know where panels, layers, and plugins typically live. This will make the next part feel more intuitive. Now, we're going to create a prompt that sets the tone for a bold, high-energy experience. In the prompt field of your design assistant or generator, write this exactly. Design a bold, high-energy website for a pickleball brand. Use vibrant colors, neon green, electric blue, black, dynamic layouts, and sporty typography. Feature action shots of pickleball players, big headlines, smooth sections, and clear CTAs like "Join the League" or "Book a Court." The vibe should feel modern, competitive, and fun, not corporate. Even though this mentions a website, the direction is perfect for a dashboard UI as well. Think of the same energy applied to cards, charts, stats, and quick actions. The key here is specificity. You're giving clear colors, layout energy, typography style, and calls to action, which helps the generator produce components that feel cohesive and intentional. If you want your dashboard to pop, those neon accents against dark surfaces will give you high contrast, while sporty typefaces will make headings and metrics feel confident and easy to scan. With your prompt in place, click on Make It. Give the tool a moment to process. You'll see a generated layout or components that align with the vibe you described. This is your jump-off point. Evaluate what appears through a dashboard lens. Do the sections naturally translate into panels, cards, and data tiles? Are the CTAs positioned like quick actions? Do the color accents guide the eye to priorities, like metrics and alerts? If something skews too marketing page, note what you want more of: charts, tables, filters, and tighten your wording next time. Small prompt tweaks can dramatically improve structure, spacing, and hierarchy. That's it. You opened Figma, crafted a sharp, detailed prompt, and clicked Make It to generate a high-energy base you can refine into a truly sick dashboard UI. Save your work, and you're ready to iterate and polish from here.